After yesterday's 4 hill repeats with the new 1130 cassette, first thoughts was I could hold a little bit higher cadence than normal, which is good. I didn't have to stand up where I normally do. I could kind of spin through just a little bit. So I feel like that is definitely a positive for a larger gear in the back, especially going from a 25 to a 30. I really think that my cadence, and looking at the numbers, I was probably about 10 to 15 RPM higher on the lower gear. So all in all, I think it's a positive thing. That's just one ride, but we'll see. We'll keep at it. I know I kind of have to retrain myself in, looking for that higher cadence instead of like grinding it out. I think that's a big problem that people have when they switch from a harder gear to an easier gear, is that we're lazy. We don't want to do the work, so you just kind of stay with your old cadence, and I think your speed's going to suffer if you don't up your cadence. It doesn't have to be by a lot, just a little bit. After this weekend, I will definitely put the 1130 on the Kona. It has an 1128 on it right now. I'll do some long-term, just see how it does. I'd like to get some good rides on it, like an actual, some southern loops. Got some pretty good climbs on the southern loop. Just want to see how that is. See if that really, the spinning really helps more than going, grinding. So I'm excited about that. I was a little timid. Well, it's been very timid to put a 1130 on. I just thought it would be too low and too tractor, too mountain bikey. But yeah, digging it for now. We'll see how it goes in the future.